and welcome back. I am now playing the game. Oh, what the heck? Okay, so let's see. So now I am now playing. Oh, what the heck? What the heck is it? Was that a cannon? Oh, is that a cannon? Blew up. And I go right there. Let me to the front. Maybe I can build it. Oh wow. I'm not gonna go there. What are they doing? Wait. Slash E dance. I am dancing. I'm dancing. How to get into the water? Wait, is it because oh I can't. Okay. To get into the water. What's that? Are you sure? Wait, am I in the water? Am I in the water? Okay. Let's see. Oh, we are actually in the water. Actually, no, we're not in the water. Why are we not going to the water? I thought we were supposed to launch ourselves into the water. Are you guys crafting? I can craft too, anyways. I don't have enough to do it. Oh, we are on the water. Hey! Oh, wait a minute. I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna sit over here. Can I actually sit? No, I can't. Oh, are you serious? I need to get into the top. Wait. Is that guy just... Oh my. Oh, I am done. Oh, she is done. She's done. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Oh. I am dying. Oh, I did die. So I actually got 3 gold. Oh, it's in the gear one. Change the teams into team green. Oh, I am on team green. Wait, where are they? Took a little bit of this, and let's put the complete there, and our what type there. Get one over. Oh, it's really hard to actually do with it. That. And that. One. One. It's hard to do it anyways. Oh, okay. Did that one? Let's actually go to seats. Let's go to right there. We actually need a turbine in the back. Oh, no. I need a turbine over right. There. No, I'm out of that. Get rid of that one. And in front, we got two more. What the heck? Okay, I am speeding ahead, I think. Wait, who did that anyways? I am not right there. I didn't press anything, guys. So sorry. Sorry about the interruption, but I did not actually press anything. It was, I don't know. I didn't press anything. I am now speeding through the country and let's hope I actually save this one. Oh, I am on my, wait, I am on my back somehow? Can I actually make it to the second? Oh no. Oh yeah, it's I'm done. I'm done, guys, I'm done. I'm gonna be dead soon. Wait, what the heck? Oh wow. I'm gonna broke my, oh, I am right there. So I cannot actually do anything. I am right there. Right here. Oh, I choose the wrong side. I choose the wrong side, guys. Sorry for that. I choose the wrong side. Now I am stuck between the gear and that thing. And everything is just broken for me. Wait, did somebody just die? Oh, I am losing that thing. I'm gonna be dead soon. And probably not, I am not gonna be fixed. What the heck? What am I on? Like, what the heck? Okay, it's gonna be oh, I am upside down now. That's probably not a good thing. And I just died. I just died, but I get actually 7. Wait, what? Oh. I'm right there. Hey guys. Wait. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no. No, sorry guys. That's definitely in the wrong place. Where I supposed to have it. Okay, R. No, sorry. Wrong R. Wrong part. Put it. Oh, I'm really frustrated there. that? Oh, wrong side. There we go, and this one. One more. R. Let's put you right there. So we have one, and let's see, let's have that right over. No, wait, R. There we go. To make it a little bit more safe, we need that and that. And we need actually this at the top here. And we did it. Like, what the heck? There we go. Oh, I put that literally in water. But I'm now fine. Sorry guys, I am... sorry guys, sorry. Are we in water? Let's see. Are we on water? No. I hope. Oh, I am. We are on water. So they are just floating ahead. They're doing great. I'm not gonna jump. Oh, they are blocking the way, guys. Uh-oh. Oh, I can't do it. Oh, I'm bummed. I am bummed here. At least there are them that actually. Oh, I am on my side. That is obviously not good. I just passed them. I just passed them, I think. Oh, it's right on me. Oh, I am dying. Alright. I am dying. And I don't want to die. Oh, my seat is gone. Like, I'm gone bonkers and I'm dead now. So mine is not doing well, and I'm gonna be seeing you guys in another episode. Bye, yeah.